When it comes down to walkways and backyard patios, there's nothing more natural than irregular flagging. In most cases, installations of irregular flagging have wide and inconsistent joints that can look real sloppy on your patio or walkway. The most attractive installation with irregular flagging is when the mason works a stone and creates a consistent joint throughout your walkway or patio. This type of install creates a clean and elegant look. 95% of irregular flagging has different thicknesses throughout the stone, so the mason is working with it a lot more than he wants to. This is why we developed Aura's 7-piece repeating irregular pattern. Every piece is 1.5 inches thick, so you're not going to be messing around with the stone. The mason and the contractor can just screed the sub base and throw down the stones right there. It's all pre-cut, it's all good to go. Our Aura irregular flagging comes in 2 beautiful and elegant colors, Silver Ridge and Blue Mist Granite. So if your customer is looking for a unique and beautiful natural stone to put on their walkway or backyard patio, I'd suggest going with Aura's irregular flagging.